Good morning everyone. I am Archana. My topic is developing of product strategy. Before getting to the topic, we should know the meaning of strategy. So, what is strategy? It is a plan of action which desire to achieve overall aim or goals. Then what is this product development strategy? It refers to the methods and actions used to bring new products to a market or modify existing products to create new business. Developing a product has several steps from producing an idea of distributing products to customers, and each stage requires a strategy to be successful and generate revenue for a business. Next is, why is this important to any kind of business? It is important because it uses market research to develop a plan for success in selling products. When you uses market research, you will get a better idea about your customers' needs and wants. Then you can focus on successful strategies. It enables you to adjust existing products and grow your business. Then, what are all the stages of product development? It has 7 stages. First one is idea development. It involves brainstorming for new product and ways to make existing products more relevant. Brainstorming is group creativity technique by which we can find a conclusion for a specific problem. Next is editing and selection. In this process, the product development team determines which idea have the most potential to do well in the market. In simple words, it is the selection stage. Then comes this prototype creation. A prototype is an initial creation of a product that shows the basic function of a product, like how it looked like and how it worked like. So this can be used to determine if the product function as intended and appeal to your target audience. Next is analysis. In this stage, the company studies market research and evaluates the possible problem with the product. After this product creation, after the analysis into the prototype, the finished product can be created. Then market testing. Before releasing the product to a wider audience, it is always better to release to smaller market or focus group. This stage is to get the customer feedback and the effectiveness of the production's marketing. Last one is commercialization. This is the final stage of product development occurs when adjustments are made based on market testing and the product is released to the full market. Product development strategies. Here are some useful product development strategies for introducing product and remaining competitive within your market. Modify an existing product. Creating a newer version of a existing product with slight change will influence the customers to try the newer version of the product. This strategy focuses on determining which features consumers would like to see improved. Increase product value. To engage customers, the company need to add more quantity, offer some premium features. By this, new customers may be drawn to your product and existing customers may purchase again to receive a better deal. Offer a trial. Offering a free or less expensive sample version of your product, it may be helpful to convince customer to try your product who might not have. Create new product. Create a new product that relates to your market. When creating a new product, be mindful of what customers are looking for without discouraging them from buying your other products. Any new product should be supplement what your existing product does for the customer instead of replacing the original. Change idea. Not all the idea will result in successful product, so a willingness to change ideas when needed can be an effective strategy. Find new market. Many products can be successfully sold in multiple market. Marketing towards a different age group or expanding your product marketing. These are the references which I have gone through. Summary. Having a strong product development strategy can support your business ability to turn an idea into a profitable product. and modify it to remain competitive within the market. It can reveal areas for improvement as well as which methods are most successful. To receive the most benefit from your product development strategy, consider how various techniques would work for each step and make adjustments based on your past experience. Thank you.